Hello guys, I am Purvesh Rathi from 8th group of P Division. We are going to present you a short video on the topic Microprogrammed Control Unit Micro Instructions. In this video, we will tell you the following points. What is MCU, that is Microprogrammed Control Unit? What are micro instructions? What is the format of micro instructions? How are micro instructions implemented? And we will conclude our video by seeing a few noteworthy points about micro instructions. Microprogrammed control unit is a control unit whose binary control values are saved as words in memory. The results in the instructions are implemented due to a controller by constructing a definite collection of signals at each system clock beat. The role of microprogrammed control unit is to control the operations of CPU, that is Central Processing Unit.
Here I am Chaitanya. Now we will see what are micro instruction, advantages and disadvantages of using micro instruction. So let's start. A micro instruction is a basic instruction that is used to control the operation of a computer's central processing unit. It is a low level instruction that is executed by the MCU. Advantages of using micro instruction. So, advantages of using micro instruction in a CPU include flexibility, ease of modification, reusability, cost effectiveness, debugging, and performance. Now, the disadvantages of using micro instruction. So, the main disadvantage of using micro instruction is the increased complexity and longer execution time compared to hardware control units.
Now we are going to see the format of macro instruction. Some common fields found in macro instruction formats include opcode, address, control signal, timing, conditional jump. A field that specifies the operation to be performed, such as fetching an instruction from memory, decoding an instruction, is known as opcode. A field that specifies the memory location of data to be used or location of next micro instruction to be executed is known as address. A set of fields that specifies the control signal to be generated by microprogram control unit is known as control signal. The field that specifies the duration of memory access or length of clock cycle is known as timing. A field that specifies the address of next micro instruction to be executed based on outcome of previous is known as conditional jump.
Hi, I am Manish Rathod. I will be explaining a topic implementation of microprogram control unit. First, micro instruction can be implemented through microcode, a type of firmware that stores the micro instruction in read-only memory ROM and it executes the microprogram control unit MCU to control the operation of the CPU. Second, microprogram control unit MCU is the hardware component that fetch, decode and execute the micro instruction stored in read-only memory ROM to control the operation of CPU.
Hi, I am Parth Rathi, and the conclusion of the topic is micro instructions are low-level instructions that control the operation of a computer's CPU. They provide flexibility, ease of modification, reusability, cost effectiveness, debugging, and improved performance. They can be implemented through microcode, microprogrammed control unit, micro sequencer, microprogrammed state machine, and microprogrammed control memory. They have some disadvantages such as complexity and longer execution time. Overall, micro instructions are a useful tool for CPU design and overall several advantages. Thank you.
Peace.